Wanaume mjuage tunataka kupiga mushene na nyinyi sana. Every lady akona mwanaume jioni anatakaga apige na yeye mushene or anytime akona mushene because one unakuaga sure hiyo mushene iko safe. Hakuna kitu poa kama kuenda kutaja mushene alafu isileak. Number one, your man. Unajuaga tu kabisa your boyfriend or your man, your husband. Ukipiga na yeye mushene haita leak. Wewe unataka niende nipige mushene huko nje na wanawake waitembeze wairudishe kwa mwenyewe alafu niende niundwe. Mushene izunguke irudi kwa mwenyewe nikuje niundwe. Instead of all that, men give us chance. Ukiona mwanamke wako anataka kupiga mushene na wewe, piga mushene bwana. Si kumaanisha you are turning to be a woman. Ni kumaanisha she is safe with that. She knows that the mushene is safe with you. Because to be honest, hakuna kitu tunafurahiaga kama kupiga mushene. Usikie umeridhika, usikie umekwenchia thirst ya mushene na uko 100% sure hiyo mushene itatembea. We really love that as women. So wewe mwanaume kama unajua your lady has come to you na mushene, msikize, contribute. Wacha kujieka serious. Sometimes you get so serious mpaka tunashangaa. So what do you do? Nataka nipeleke hiyo mushene nje iliki nipigwe. Nipigwe. Jamani, be ready for us when we come with mushene bwana. Take it serious. Kaa chini tupige mushene. Itikie hiyo mushene and contribute. Eri nipige mushene na kuliko nipeleke mushene nje niundwe. Ama ini frustrate bure na lazima tupige mushene. Hakuna kitu tamu kama mushene nyingi. Inaweza kuwa kuna kitu tu uliona. Then you want to share it with someone. Na uko sure kama ni ka colleague ukishare katalik. Si unisikize tu kaa chini nikupatie hiyo mushene contribute kidogo hapo. Then kwetu hivyo. Men. Mchani kujieka so serious.